Hey guys, it's George. Welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel. Today, we're checking out pieces from a high-end jewelry boutique that does not seem to shy away from being icy. They custom create stylish, fashion-forward accessories for all. And I'm lucky enough to have one of their best sellers in this package right here. They go by the name of Icegiant. If you weren't familiar with them, you will be after this video. I'm so excited to unbox this, guys, because Icegiant has beautiful jewelry. Like, when I tell you their accessories, necklaces, bracelets, watches, sunglasses, like, their collections are phenomenal, and every single piece is literally luxury. Like, everything about this whole company just looks luxurious. I'm lucky enough to be partnering with Icegiant for this video. I cannot wait to see what is in this package. I know I do have a bestseller from what I viewed online, but personally, I've never actually seen any of their pieces in person. So this video is going to basically be a first impression, unboxing, review. Just going to give you like an honest and authentic reaction to Icegiant. You can find them at 𝗧𝗏 I'll link all their information down below in the description box. They have tons of specials and promotions going on for the holiday season. This is the perfect opportunity to take advantage of a special gift for your loved ones or even yourself. If you're interested in checking out Icegiant jewelry with me, grab yourself a snack, perhaps a drink, and keep on watching. I tend to over talk when it comes to these type of reviews, guys, so I'm gonna really do my best to like minimize how much I'm chatting of like unnecessary stuff. But here's the packaging: black, simple bag, bubble wrapped. We appreciate that. Seems sturdy and secure. Alrighty, this is the interior, and we have, this is a diamond collection packaging right here. We've got it bubble wrapped again, so we have like double bubble wrapping. Pretty cool. Makes me feel like confident that the pieces are going to be intact and in great condition. So that is nice. We have a box here. I'm not sure what's in that, but I kind of want to open up the box first because why not? All right. So this is what we have on the inside. This bag. This is pretty cool. It's like a gift bag. So again, you know, with it being the holiday season, if you want to gift anything to someone, this is something to kind of like embrace the whole gifting experience. That is neat. It says Icegiant right there. We got the logo, and this is not a chintzy cheap bag. That's pretty cool. I actually really appreciate that. Let's keep that right there. And there's another box right here. So bubble wrap, guys. I actually was connected with Icegiant. They reached out to me on Instagram, and when I checked out their page after like being approached, I was like, I need to check them out. I love jewelry. I love flashy pieces. I love jewelry that just stands out and isn't basic. I know like right now you're probably like, George, you're wearing like a silver chain. I'm trying to keep this minimal. I mean, this is kind of like a bold sweater, right? I was in the office today, so I am filming right after working. You know what I mean? Here we have the box. So this is pretty good condition. Feels very sturdy, very protective. I like the packaging. We have a great first impression going on here. And then you open it up. Looks like there is a dust rag. I believe that's probably what this is. And here is the bracelets. And then this would be the necklace. So these are actually from the Miami Cuban collection, which of course I'll link down below all the details. And I have this in a white gold. Right off the bat, I absolutely love the coloring. And just to do a little bit of housekeeping here, guys, all Icegiant products are diamond tested approved, and these pieces are stainless steel with VVS Clarity Moissanite clasps. Just to give you a little bit more details right there, but the white gold is the option that I selected because I'm more of like a silver guy. I don't really care for gold that much. It doesn't really mesh well with me. But we have a covering, I don't know what you want to call this, an extra form of protection, which of course we appreciate. But let me see if I could get this off. I know takes me a little while to get this type of material off of products. I'm awful at this. It's kind of like saran wrap, you know, like the kitchen stuff or packaging like meat and things. There has to be something else that companies can use besides this type of wrap. This is awful. And this is the second jewelry company I'm dealing with recently that has this type of wrap, you guys, and it is awful. I know it has arrows on there to like peel, but those just don't work. They don't work. It's a beautiful necklace, like once I can get out of the packaging. It was awful, but finally we have the chain necklace. And guys, again, it is a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful piece. I kind of absolutely am obsessed with the clasp right here. This is the one I was talking about earlier. See like the gems on there? Gorgeous. There also is some branding on the back of the clasp right here. As you can see, it says Icegiant. Hopefully you can make that out. And there's also a few numbers. I'm wondering if that's kind of like an item serial number or something, but I'm absolutely loving this. It's shiny. It's just the right amount of shine, and it's the white gold, which I was kind of nervous that there was gonna be a hint of gold in it. There's not, so I love it. Like, I'm a huge fan of silver, so this is perfection. But basically to put this on, you just go like that. That's what we're gonna do. Clicks right in, you can actually hear it snap. That is perfect. Okay, from what I can see, I love it. And it's a great size too. So this is actually the 20-inch, and it fits perfect around my neck. Like, you can see it for like a shirt like this, and I'm honestly living for this. Let's check out the bracelet now. I'm hoping that I can open up this one much more swiftly than the necklace, but this is the 7-inch bracelet. So my wrists, I'm gonna say like my wrists are not like super big, but they're, I don't know, like maybe average. I don't know how to describe it. Am I doing this wrong? Like, let me know. Okay, maybe this one's a little bit easier. Maybe my hands were like really sweaty before. I don't know. I was so close to getting it myself. So it's possible. I think like with heat and like body heat, touching like that cellophane or whatever you call it, plastic wrap, does not mix well. So that's what was happening there. I think it's like my problem type thing. 7-inch bracelet. Oh, please let this fit. I think it's gonna fit just right, you guys, but it's basically the exact same material, just 7 inches versus the 20 inches for the bracelet. And I think they're actually the same thickness. Are they? They look it, they feel it too. It's a set, so of course it's gonna match up. This is the Miami Cuban again. But yeah, let's see if this does fit. So same type of clasp, same material, same everything pretty much. And we're almost there. I'm really awful at putting bracelets on myself. Oh ho ho! Snug as a bug, but it fit. It doesn't feel too tight either. So like my wrists, I'd say are kind of like maybe average size for men. Oh no, that's perfect. That is perfect because it's like not all over the place, but it's not super tight. So actually the 7-inch is perfection for me. I absolutely love this, you guys. Look how beautiful that is. First impression, I have to say, Icegiant, these pieces are absolutely beautiful. I'm super happy with the fits, how well they go on. Like the clasp is easy to work. It doesn't feel cheap or chintzy. Like this is a heavy piece. And that's how I am when it comes to jewelry. Like in most things actually in life, if it has a little bit of weight to it, it's always more luxurious. I don't know, just that's how I feel when it comes to stuff. But this does not let down. So the Miami Cuban actually goes for $376, I believe. But honestly, it is $189 right now. $189 versus $376. Like that is a huge deal. And there's plenty of promotions going on, like I said, on Icegiant's website. But this is pretty sick. And for this set, it does come with a pair of earrings as well, which are 4 carats. Insane. And the pricing is just pretty ridiculous. With or without the promotions, I feel like for how luxurious Icegiant's pieces are, they don't disappoint. Like this is my first impression of the company, and from the packaging to how fast it was delivered to just the whole presentation and the quality. We also have this, guys, which I think this is the diamond tester. Let me see. So they were kind enough to send me a diamond selector too. I don't know what that is, but I think this is a diamond tester to like test out the quality of diamonds and such. There's a battery, so if you wanted one of these, I believe they're actually sold on their website as well, which is pretty cool. And I guess this is like something cool to have. Like, let's face it, I'm pedestrian, I'm not a jeweler, but I do like to have expensive pieces within my collection. I also collect a lot of vintage jewelry, so having something like this when I'm shopping, like for vintage pieces, would be really cool to have. So there's actually instructions here on how to use the device, instruction manual. Basically, there's like a probe in this. Nice little protector, which is sick. And this is what the diamond tester looks like. This is advanced. This is like very advanced, and honestly something that I need within my collection of jewelry because, again, vintage shopping, you never know like what you're finding. Some things are like overpriced, sometimes they're listed as real and authentic. This will let you know. So that's really, really cool. And it's also really cool to know that like Icegiant is a jewelry website and seller and brand that is that confident enough within their work that they're providing something like this. Like, that's verified. That is legit. I'm not gonna bore you with like testing this out on camera because like, why would you wanna see that? I mean, do you wanna see that? If you do, we'll do a part 2. You let me know, but I don't wanna take up too much of your time. Icegiant, guys, check them out. All their information will be linked in the description down below. Again, this is not a paid sponsorship. They were just kind enough to reach out to me to review their pieces. And I have to say, I'm not let down. I mean, the quality is great. Everything as far as the presentation goes, it's just an overall great experience. Aside from, I'm gonna say this, guys, that wrapping, that plastic wrapping gets me every time. I can't. All right, guys, that is a wrap. Thank you so much for hanging out with me during this Icegiant experience. Again, all their information will be down below if you wanna check them out for yourself. Let me know in the comment section what is your favorite piece, the necklace or the bracelets. And if you did check out their website, let me know like what you think I should check out next from Icegiant, because they have so much of a beautiful selection, guys. Again, sunglasses, watches, bracelets, necklaces, everything looks like something I would want to rock. So let me know what you think I should try out next. If you're not already, do not forget to subscribe to my channel. I will love your company. Click the notification bell because that will keep you notified whenever I post new content. So if you want to stay in touch, you got to click the bell. My personal Instagram is right here at 𝗧𝗏𝗏𝗏 if you want to follow me there as well. But until next time, and as always, do not forget to say thanks, give compliments, and think positive. And I'll catch you in the next video. Bye, guys.